guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video, and to all the new subscribers, thank you for supporting the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe now because I have a Christmas giveaway. Yes, a Christmas giveaway. And to all the subscribers who participated in my previous video, the top 10 comments will be posted via Instagram stories. So follow me on Instagram. Let's talk about this model, which is the Adidas AlphaEdge 4D. This material is carbon and it's made of light, air, and liquid. Now, in the future, 4D machines will be capable of manufacturing the shoe in store. And not only that, they can analyze your statistics so it can match the overall performance of the midsole. Now, this specific model is the most accessible and affordable 4D running shoe this 2018. Here in the Philippines, the Adidas Consortium collaboration was released by Commonwealth and the resale value is around 50,000 pesos or $1,000. The first 4D running shoe is the Futurecraft, which has a resale value of 90,000 pesos or $1,900. Now, the upper, I really love the upper of this AlphaEdge 4D. It is similar to the Alpha Bounce Beyond. It is soft and it's light, and how it hugs your foot is really great compared to the Primeknit version of the ULTRABOOST. And also the lockdown. Yes, the lockdown is amazing because it locks your foot properly, but it's not too tight compared to the ULTRABOOST. The heel cap or this heel support is nice because it adapts to your foot's movement. Not compared to this one, sometimes it's a bit irritating, this heel cap from the ULTRABOOST. That's why I prefer this minimal upper of the AlphaEdge 4D, and compared to the ULTRABOOST, this upper is really great. Best suggestion, go half size up if you're going to buy an AlphaEdge. Now, let's talk about the midsole. Yes, and before I say something disappointing and frustrating, I just want you to know that I tried and tested it for at least 1 week, and I applied much pressure just to experience this 4D model. And I would say Boost is still life compared to this 4D technology. It's funny that people or consumers will buy this because of the midsole. They will not buy this because the upper is minimal and it looks clean and simple. No! Consumers will buy this because of the midsole. And the midsole is the most disappointing and frustrating part of this model. It doesn't have enough response. It is not as soft and comfortable like Boost. However, this midsole still does the job. It has enough cushion and support for running. Yes, it still works as a running shoe. But when you compare it to the ULTRABOOST model, the ULTRABOOST is much better because the Boost technology is much better. It has more life compared to this midsole. You're just stepping on something. You just can't feel that comfiness or that magic like when you wear a Boost model. You can feel it. You can feel the boost. However, this one, it's nothing. It's just very upsetting. I know, it's very upsetting. And this is something that I'm not happy about, because Adidas should at least made more research or made a lot test athletes using this one. I think they didn't do that, maybe, or not. But you know, guys, this is not, we're not yet in the future. We're still living in the present, and Boost is life. Boost is life. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it, and I hope my analysis gives you a point that this is not that worth it. It's around $300, 16,000 pesos. And yes, it is not worth it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button and see you in another video.